Hi everybody, I'm Norma Buchholz, the chef here at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for March, which is some steamer clams with a little bit of kale, tomato, garlic, citrus, and of course some garlic bread. And it is paired with our 2018 Lone Star Riesling. So here we have 1 pound of Manila clams. You just want to take them and run water on them for about 5 minutes just to make sure all of the dirt and residual sand is removed. When you have that, we will just start with a lemon. And I like to use the rind for this as well. So take about 3 really thin pieces. Pull the seeds out here. I just like to cut them into 8s. Take a little bit of fennel here. I like to save the fronds for the end. And you just want to slice this really thin. I'm just going to use the mandolin here. And you can see that they are just paper thin. Here is some dinosaur kale from our garden. I just like to hand tear them. Now we need to get our garlic bread ready. And for that, we're just going to take a piece of baguette here and we're gonna end up cutting this in half. We're just going to drizzle this with some good olive oil. So to start, we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add the lemon and some garlic and the fennel as well. While we're waiting, I have the flat top on over here. We're just gonna take that bread that has the olive oil. We're just gonna let it get nice and crispy. Gonna add in some tomato and our clams. And then our wine. We're just going to place the lid. Should take about a minute and a half. And they are all opened. Very nice. I'm going to just take our clams, put them all in the bowl using a slotted spoon. Okay, put that back on the stove top. Add some butter to make a sauce. So this is exactly what you want, just a nice little crispiness. And we're just gonna take that clove of garlic and just rub it right on the top. And now we're gonna take all of that kale that we tore at the beginning and put that right in. And the 2 big pieces of bread right there. Let's try it. The best thing about clams is you just use the little shells as a little spoon for that broth. It goes amazing with this dish. I specifically use this wine to put into the clams. It really complements the butter in the sauce really well as the tartness from the cherry tomatoes and the lemon. It really is a perfect pairing. Everybody, this is the March perfect pairing. I hope that you all come in and at least give this a try at least once. But cheers to you guys, and I hope to see you this month. I'm gonna just drink the whole thing.